Start with 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a circle by single crochet. Make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. This chain last crochet of the first row. Start the first row by 3 double crochet. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Make 2 chain, 3 double crochet again, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We need 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, and 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and slip stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. This chain is last of second row. Yarn over, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, make a chain, 3 double crochet in this one, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain in this corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, this one corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, one chain, and slip stitch in these chains. This is second row. Start the other row with 1, 2, 3 chains in this corner, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet again, one chain, in this one 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 1 chain in this corner, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet again, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain, in this 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 1 chain in this corner, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, a chain in corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, again 3 double crochet, this chain is last of this row. Make 2 crochets in this one, yarn over, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. Start the other row with 1, 2, 3 chains and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A chain in this corner. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and again 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and 3 double crochet in this one, and repeat in corners. And repeat these rows. Start with 1, 2, 3 chains in this, 2 crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, with chains, 1, 2, 3. Make a chain in this corner, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, a chain in this one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Make a chain, and this one, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, repeat corners crochet, yarn over, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, a chain, slip stitch in this one, slip stitch in here. Start this row with 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets in this one, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, make a chain, 3 double crochet in this corner, 1, 2, 3, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, a chain, and continue in this one, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, a chain, and continue